If you need to update DNS records on Namecheap, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're pointing a domain to a new website, changing an email record, or updating a subdomain, this is a simple way to make those changes inside your Namecheap account. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Domain List. This section shows all of the domains currently connected to your account, so it's the fastest place to find the one you want to edit. Next, locate the domain you want to update. If you manage multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, because DNS changes will affect where your domain points and how related services work. After you find the right domain, click the Manage button next to it. This will open the settings for that specific domain. From here, you'll want to click the Advanced DNS tab. This is the area where Namecheap stores your host records, which include the DNS settings that control things like web hosting, email routing, and subdomains. Now scroll down to the Host Records section. Here, you'll see the DNS records already set up for your domain. Find the record you want to change. It could be an A record, CNAME record, MX record, XTXT record, or another type depending on what you're updating. Click on the record you want to edit so the fields become available. Once the record opens, update the required fields carefully. The Hosts field tells Namecheap what part of the domain the record applies to. For example, you may use the @ symbol for the root domain, or enter a subdomain if you're updating something like blog or shop. In the Value field, enter the new information you want the record to point to. This might be an IP address, a destination URL, or a text value, depending on the type of DNS record you're editing. Make sure the value is exactly what your service provider or hosting platform gave you, because even a small mistake can prevent the record from working properly. For TTL, you can usually leave it set to automatic unless you specifically need a custom value. TTL controls how long DNS information is cached before it refreshes, and automatic is the safest choice for most users. After you've entered everything correctly, click the green checkmark to save the changes. That confirms your updated DNS record and applies the new settings to your domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. In some cases, the change may happen quickly, but in others, it can take a little while before everything starts working everywhere. So if you don't see the update immediately, give it some time and check again later. And that's it. You now know how to update DNS records on Namecheap in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more clear practical walkthroughs.